Today, I'm taking a deep dive into BeFrugal, a popular cashback website that promises to help you earn money back on your everyday purchases. But does it actually work? Let's find out. When you first land on BeFrugal's website, you'll notice a simple layout. The homepage highlights various cashback offers from well-known stores like Walmart, Amazon, and Macy's. They claim you can earn up to 40% cashback, which sounds great, but how realistic is it? Signing up is free and pretty straightforward. After creating an account, you're taken to a dashboard where you can browse deals, activate cashback offers, and track your rewards. One of the main features here is the browser extension, which BeFrugal recommends installing. This extension automatically applies coupons and activates cashback when you shop online. It sounds convenient, but from my experience, it can be a bit buggy. Sometimes it doesn't activate cashback properly, meaning you have to manually go back and ensure the site tracked your purchase, which can be frustrating. Cashback rates vary by store, and while some retailers offer impressive percentages, others provide only a small fraction back. Another key thing to consider is the payout system. BeFrugal offers multiple payout options, including PayPal, Venmo, direct deposit, and even gift cards. However, the payout threshold is $25 for most methods, which can take a while to reach if you're not a frequent shopper. The company does offer a best rate guarantee, where they promise to match or beat competitors' cashback rates, but you have to submit a request, which isn't always convenient. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about the fine print. Cashback tracking isn't always perfect. Some users report missing cashback, requiring them to file claims to receive their rewards. While customer service is generally responsive, it can take a few days to resolve issues. Another downside is that BeFrugal has a waiting period before cashback is available for withdrawal. This can range from a few days to several weeks, depending on the retailer's return policy. One of the best perks, though, is BeFrugal's referral program. You can earn a bonus for referring friends, and if they sign up and meet the cashback requirements, you both get rewarded. This can be a great way to maximize earnings. However, compared to competitors like Rakuten, which sometimes offers higher bonuses, BeFrugal's referral incentives aren't always the most competitive. Overall, is BeFrugal worth it? If you shop online regularly and don't mind waiting to accumulate cashback, it can be a useful tool. However, tracking issues and the payout threshold might make it less appealing for occasional shoppers. If you're looking for a hassle-free experience, other cashback platforms might be a better fit. That being said, BeFrugal is legit, and I have received my payments, so it's not a scam. Just something to use wisely. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments if you tried BeFrugal and what your experience was like.